Americans eat 7 billion cookies every year. That's more than 1,000 cookies per person. And you're not alone if you prefer chocolate chip. It's America's #1 cookie choice. Chocolate chip cookies were a happy accident. Ruth Wakefield was a Massachusetts innkeeper. One evening in 1930, she added chocolate bits to her cookie batter, thinking the chocolate would melt. They didn't melt, and the chocolate chip cookie was born. The cookie's first name was Butterdrop Dew Cookies. Ruth then published the Toll House Tried and True recipe book and called them Chocolate Crunch Cookies. The first chocolate chip cookies were bite-sized, about the size of a quarter, and crunchy. In 1939, Nestle bought the recipe from Ruth for a lifetime supply of chocolate. The Toll House cookie made its debut. The fame and love for chocolate chip cookies really took hold during World War II, as home bakers sent the cookies to their fighting sons and husbands stationed around the world. The love of chocolate chip cookies was codified in 1997 when a Massachusetts class of 3rd graders proposed that it be the state cookie. The legislature agreed. Over the years, bakers all over the world have added their special twists with various nuts, peanut butter, caramel, white chocolate, and marshmallow, to name a few. And there you have it, a little bit of history about our beloved chocolate chip cookie. If you'd like to try my special recipe, which includes a hint of toasted oats, call or text me today. If this information was helpful, check out my YouTube channel to see more videos and subscribe.